Dear students of class 6th from Government Girls Upper Primary School, BATAGUND Zone Mawar, today on dated 15th of August 2020, the day Saturday. Our topics in subject of maths is fractions on the number line. Dear guys, we know that fractions are the small parts of a whole. When we have some whole thing and we divide it into parts, we call them as fractions. Dear guys, you also know that we can show the integers on a number line. We draw a number line with 0 as center, and the integers on the right side are positive integers, and the integers on the left side are of the 0 are called the negative integers. Now we try to learn, can we show these fractions on a number line also or not. Dear guys, here is, we are having, for example, we are having an apple. We divide it into two equal parts. The parts of a whole, that is, we are having one apple. We divide into equal parts. These equal parts of this whole are called fractions. That means this part is 1/2, this part is 1/2. 1/2 is a fraction, 1/2 is a fraction. If we join or add these two halves, it will again become a whole. It will again become a whole. Now, to show this fraction 1/2 on a number line, how can we show it? We draw a number line here again with 0 as a point from where we start, and take a whole, that is 1. We take a number on this number line, this, from this to this a point which we consider it is a 1. We have to divide it into two equal parts, 1/2 and 1/2. We put a point in between the 0 and 1. In between, this point divides this distance from 0 to 1 into two equal parts. That means when two equal parts are formed, one part is 1/2, one part is also 1/2. This means from this point to this point it is 1/2. From this point to this point it is also 1/2. And if we add this 1/2 and this 1/2, it will again become 1. This is the 1. That means 1/2 plus 1/2 is again equal to 1. This point is the 1/2. This point indicates 1/2. Now we have to show 1/3 on another line. First of all, we start from this object. We take a one object, one apple. It divides it into three equal parts. Now to show each part is equal to 1/3. This is 1/3, this part is also 1/3, and this part is also 1/3. To show this on a number line, what we do? We draw a number line, start from the 0, and take a point 1. From 0 to right side, we take a point 1. This is 1. Then we divide this 1 into three equal parts. Here also we divide the distance between 0 and 1 into three equal parts. That is one part, that is second part, and that is third part. From this to this, it is 1/3. From this to this, it is also 1/3. From this to this, it is also 1/3. All the parts are equal. But we know, if we take 2 out of these, 1/3 and 1/3, 1/3 plus 1/3, it is equal to 2/3. That means from this point to this, it is 1/3. From this to this, it is also 1/3. If we take this 1/3 plus this 1/3, it will become 2/3. That means this point indicates 2/3. But if we take 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 together, all this 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3, we put them again together, it will become again this 1. Here it is 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, it is again equal to 3/3, that is equal to 1. That means this 1/3 plus this 1/3 plus this 1/3, it is equal to 1. This is, so we can say from this point to this, it is 1/3. From this point to this point, it is 2/3. From this point to this point, it is 3/3 or 1. Now we will show 1 by 4 on a number line. How to show 1 by 4 on a number line? We take again a 1 and divide it into 4 equal parts. Divide it into 4 equal parts. Now here it is our number line. This is the center point 0 from where we start. We will take, first off, we will take 1. We will take a point on the right side of the 0, it is 1. And then divide this 1 into 4 equal parts. Here we will divide the distance between the 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. Each part is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and 1 by 4. Each part is 1 by 4. And if we combine these 4 parts, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and 1 by 4, it will again becomes equal to this 1. So here we can see this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4. If we take all the 4 1 by 4s, that will become 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. Here this point is 1 by 4. From this point to this point, it is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it is equal to 2 by 4. It is equal to 2 by 4. That means from this point to this point, it is then 2 by 4. If we take 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it is equal to 3 by 4. That means this 1 by 4 plus this 1 by 4 plus this 1 by 4. From this to this, it is 3 by 4. And if we take 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. Here, this 1 by 4 plus this 1 by 4 plus this 1 by 4 plus this 1 by 4, it is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So this point indicates the 1 by 4. We have, if we want to say what is, where is 1 by 4 lying, it is here 1 by 4. If we here have to locate 1 by 3 on the number line, this point locates 1 by 3. If we have here to show the fraction 1 by 2, this point is the 1 by 2, indicates the fraction 1 by 2. Now if we have 2 by 3 to show on a number line, we again take a whole and divide it into 3 equal parts. We divide it into 3 equal parts. This part is 1 by 3, this part is 1 by 3, and this part is 1 by 3. If we take this 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 to 1 by 3, that will become equal to 2 by 3. That means 2 by 3 is equal to this 1 by 3 and this 2, these two parts, or these two parts. Any of the two parts taken together indicates here is equal to 2 by 3. But on the number line, how can we show this? We take this number line and take this 1 here, this is 1, divided into 3 equal parts, divided into this 1 part, this 2, and this 3 equal parts. Each part is 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3, this part is 1 by 3, and this part is 1 by 3. If we take this part and this part together, that is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, it is equal to 2 by 3. We have to show the 2 by 3 here, it is 2 by 3. And if we take all the 1 by 3's together, that will become 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. This is this 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. From this to this, then it will be equal to 1. Now you have learned how show the different fractions of a number line. Hope you have followed me. If any problem, call me on my number. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.